Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. I wanted to make some more window pockets, but this time I'm going to be using these LineDotArrow digitals. These are from her Collage Tear Pages number 3. This is the cover sheet for that kit. I printed these onto cardstock. I'm going to be using some book pages too. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these out, and then I'm going to cut the inside windows of these out. Now for my project, I don't need this large piece. I'm just going to be using these 2 smaller pieces, and also the colors kind of coordinate. So when we get done, because I've already made one, oh, and some plastic packaging, some like I used in my last video. I already cut all the pieces, and here's where you're going to use the book page. So let me go do all this cutting. Here's the first one. Now I went ahead and I inked the inside edge, the outside edge, and I grunged it up just a little bit. And then I take book pages and I cut them to a little bit smaller than the back. Okay. And then what I did is, you can see here, I traced the frame onto the book page so that I could cut it out. And then here's one that I already cut out, and it'll fit back here. Okay. And then these little plastic sheets are going to go in between to give you the window. And I'm going to be gluing these together with Fabri-Tac or 3-in-1 because of the plastic. And I will be stitching these as well. So that's going to be the first one. And then you just rinse and repeat. Here's another frame inked up. Here's another book page frame. And then I'll just glue the plastic in between the layers. Now I did save the little pieces that I cut out that were the windows, because for one, these would make cute pockets. I did grunge these up to use them in my current project. These would make cute pockets. You could use them. You could make little tiny tags. You could use them as little, well, big dangles. You could use them to make clusters. You could use them for all kinds of things. So I saved those. I'm gonna go and glue all of this stuff together and get it stitched and be back to show you how they turned out. Okay, I got those all stitched, and this is what they look like. Make sure I'm in frame. And the reason why I left the strings is because, I'll show you. When you put these on a page, say I want to put them on this page. I want to put a pocket. And then you can put a card in it, and you can see the image through. But maybe I want to make a little nest out of this. And put a button. And then put the card in. Okay. So that is these 4 pockets, 2 for each journal. These I'm going to turn because they're too tall to use this way. I mean, I could, but I'm going to turn them either this way or this way and use them like that. Thanks for watching, y'all.